What's up everyone, Matt Agilon here with RestoreMyFence.com. We're out here in Danville, California at a return client's house. We're refinishing this deck today. This is probably the third time we've done this, so today we're gonna clean it, brighten it, get all prepped and ready for stain. Let's check it out. So as you can see right here, we got the main deck. If you pan down here, you can see we got the fire pit with a little lounge area. Got a couple other little decking platforms, modern horizontal fencing around the pool. And then you can also see we got the main pool deck with the lounge chairs. We're gonna be refinishing all that today as well. So we're really looking forward to seeing the final results. We can't wait to show you guys. Alright, so that's a wrap for the Danville project. We really hope you guys enjoyed watching the process of this. Summertime is right around the corner. What better time to get your deck refinished so you can enjoy your nice oasis with your family. We really look forward to hearing from you. Once again, this is Matt Agilon with RestoreMyDeck.com. Talk to you soon.